Let's talk about the meaning and the related knowledge of phase to path. It is a golf metric measured by Approach R10. Phase to path is expressed in degree. If the angle is a single number or a number with R, it means the ball flies to the right because the ball spins clockwise when being hit. When the ball is flying and is spinning clockwise, and the air is traveling from the front of the ball to the back of the ball, the right side of the ball is rotating in the same direction as air travels, and it makes the right side airflow faster over the ball. On the contrary, the left side airflow is slowed down because the ball is rotating against the airflow. According to Bernoulli's law, faster airflow results in lower pressure around the right side of the ball, and the slower airflow results in higher pressure around the left side of the ball. And the total pressure creates an effect bringing the ball to the right. This effect is called the Magnus effect. In the same way, when the angle is marked with a number with an L, the ball will spin counterclockwise and fly to the left. The smaller the angle, the less the spinning, and the flight path of the ball will go straight. Curveballs are usually used when approaching dogleg holes or over hazards. With a curveball, you can pass a hazard with only one shot instead of two straight shots. It's a key technique to reducing the number of your swing. That's it. Thanks for your watching. Let's practice curveballs.